Saleng MP ka Congress Lok Sabha na Tura Parliamentary Constituency na Meglia mentas ngiar kundai terik risau arajar pesan abakran higlat tai kubor haplau Congress bahan loong baka parti Congress ka don berkan don dari tanghak por election babakla ai tiket kinong Christian kipet haba jubab executely habe de tur mukul sang malaun phai biang MC parti Congress loong babaro layatip untuk tur mukul loong ba oman phai shuh ka parti kata ke bawah lakran atau dang don kam ban Pynkynmaw henrei ke parti kapenya sungpa ya baro ke bakwa bonon rungbiang sia ke parti Congress.
I don't want to speak on his behalf because he himself has already said bluntly that he will never join the Congress party even in the future also. So we welcome everyone's decision. No, you see, like for example, you see that's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Na? Now he has realized, so he has come back. He has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him.